The Galaxy Fold is finally official after nearly 6 years of concepts and leaks, and it's interesting. It looks like Verizon will be the first carrier to have a Galaxy S10 5G variant in spring, and yes, the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and S10e have been announced, and they are beautiful. I'm Jaime Rivera. Apologies for the lighting. This is Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked, and even if we had a hands-on, there was a lot more announced here. So let's use this video for official news. This is Pocketnow Daily, powered by Qualcomm. The official news today is everything, but those of you that are looking for good deals on getting your brand new Galaxy S10, right now, follow the link in the description. The first one will take you to all the carriers and options for trade-ins that you can use to get a brand new Galaxy S10. Some of them will make it as inexpensive as $550, which in my opinion is a steal. Again, first link in the description. So Samsung announced a very new line of wearables that's rather interesting. Sadly, we weren't briefed on these products particularly. I did see the Galaxy Buds in the briefing, but then the Galaxy Watch Active, we did not. It got rid of the rotating crown. It's more focused on fitness, and it's actually rather light. We did have some time to hands-on here at the event. We also saw the Galaxy Fit, which is also rather interesting, and for me, what I like the most are the price tags. $199 for the Galaxy Watch Active, $99 for the Galaxy Fit, and then the Galaxy Buds, which we did see in the briefing, those are $129. I definitely consider them well priced, but obviously we will have to test them. And yes, obviously the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e, S10 Plus are now official. I'm not going to bore you in this segment with everything that we saw. There is a full video on Pocketnow.com that will show you absolutely everything that we saw at our briefing. Definitely, these devices are beautiful. Expect our coverage coming, hopefully, as of today or tomorrow, as this is going to just streamline a ton of content, mainly because there is a lot of change in this phone. It may look similar, but it's not. Now let's talk about the 5G variant of the Galaxy S10. It was announced that Verizon will be the first partner for this phone, that it will launch in the spring. If you see my hands-on video, we weren't allowed to touch this phone. We were simply allowed to see the back. It brings a new design sort of texture in the back. The 5G logo actually lights up. The specifications are interesting. It's a larger 6.7-inch display. The battery is also larger, and obviously we can't wait to see what it'll be priced at Verizon. We'll keep you posted as soon as we learn more about that. And finally, believe it or not, the hottest news today were the product that I did not believe in, the Galaxy Fold. The presentation began with it, and honestly, I still felt that this was a solution in search of a problem. But when you see the presentation, and I highly recommend that you do, I feel that it's not. This product looks sleek, it looks really nice. It extends into a 7.3-inch display from 4.6 in the external. It's got great specifications, but probably what I don't understand is the price tag. I feel that the price tag is crazy. It's pretty much $2,000. You could buy a MacBook Pro fully fledged with that amount of money. So in the comments today, let us know today's question. What do you think about the Galaxy Fold? Do you like it? 1 and 2, what do you think about the price? Because I now like it, I just don't think that it's well priced. I mean, $600 for a OnePlus 6T, $400 for a good tablet. If they would have charged me $1,200, I would have been like, okay, fine, it's new technology. But at this price, I think it's crazy. Leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know what you think. Did you know that some of the best features of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 are powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 mobile platform? One of my favorites is the new Qualcomm 3D Sonic sensor, which is a world's first. This ultrasonic fingerprint sensor sits under the display and uses acoustics to scan the pores of your finger, resulting in a more accurate three-dimensional scan without compromising device thickness and providing maximum security as it solves the limitations of optical sensors. Follow the link in the description below to learn more about Qualcomm's new 3D Sonic sensor. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow.